After we have exported our NWC file from Revit, we will open Navisworks software now, and then we will import the NWC file inside of it. How we can open the NWC file or create a federated model into Navisworks? We use the command append or control A. There's two commands called append and merge. What's the difference between them is append, it adds the geometry and data from the selected files. Append can keep any duplicate content that you might have, so you can't append the same model 2 times or more. While merge, it removes any duplicate contents that you might have, such as geometry and markups. You can use merge when you have markups in a model and you want to merge it into the same model. So you will keep only the different content, it will remove any duplicate content. Here we have a blank file, so we will use the append. We will head to the where we exported our file, and we will select the NWC file. Here it's saved where the Revit is saved, that's the .nwc. We will click open, and that's our model, that's our structural model inside of Navisworks.